Hello guys, welcome to Gano Python. Till this point we have covered in the last tutorial, right? Now we'll go ahead and we'll see some more steps in the statistics. So this is a rank. Okay, how to calculate the rank? It's very simple. We have the four columns, right? Average, mean, maximum, and dense. This is a minimum, right? So how to calculate the rank in the average, right? So we have this minimum point 11. This is a smaller, that's why we put 1. Okay, now we have two common point, that is 15 and 15. So in this case, in average we need to calculate the average. See, we have put the 1 over here, right? One rank. Then this 15 given has a 2 rank, this 15 has a 3 rank, right? So 2 and 3, we have to calculate the mean of 2 and 3, that is 2.5 and 2.5, right? So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 divided by 2 is a 2.5. That's why we have calculated the mean of those 2 points, because they are similar, they are common points. That's why we need to calculate the mean of the rank, then we can put that one, right? Then 1 is this one, then 2.4 to 2.5, 2.5, then according to this 4, 5 and 6, right? Now in the minimum rank is 1, means minimum point is 1, that's why we put 1. Then what are the two common points? We have put 2 and 2. Why? Because see, here is 1 rank, here is 2 rank, and here is 3 rank, right? So the common rank between this 2 and 3 is 2, right? Obviously is a 2 is a lesser number, that's why we put 2 over here in both of place, right? And remaining the 5, 4 and 6, right? In maximum, you can see here that in the common point, that is 15 and 15, we have put the 3, because 3 is a larger number. You can see 1 we have given to 11, 2 we have given to 15, 15 again we have given the 3 number. But which one is the maximum? That is a 3, that's why we put 3. Then according to 4, 5 and 6, right? Now in dense, this is a different than those three columns, right? You can see over here that we have given 1, then we have given 2 and 2. Those two common points we have given 2 and 2. Then we will start the rank from 3, 4 and 6, but rest of, you can see over here we have started from 4, right? You can see over here this is a different one. And once you are true to put the common point rank, then you can start according to the next number, that is 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is the rank. This is simple, guys. Now we'll see the next, that is percentage. How to calculate the percentage? This is a one common this is a one data point, that is x battery. Now we have calculate the sum of this x column, and to calculate the each of the element percentage, to calculate the percentage of each element. So in that case, the simple formula is the element number, that is 11, divided by sum, that is 128 into 100, right? 11 divided by 128, that is sum, into 100, we will get the percentage of each of the element, right? Then once you will sum of that percentage, you will get this 100. If you will not get 100, in that case your calculation maybe something goes wrong. So in that case you can go and check one more time. Okay, if they're having something like 0.004 like this difference will be there, that will be okay. But but in percentage, maybe you have 5% difference or 10% difference, that will be problematic for the calculation, right? So hope this will make sense. We'll see some more, that is percentage change. How we can calculate this one? The same data point we have, that is x battery, right? And because of we don't have the above element of after this below the we don't have the elements before this 11, that's why we put this percent change and percentage change empty, right? Now we'll go ahead and we'll see the second one, that is 15. How to calculate the change between these two consecutive terms? So this is 15 minus 11, this is 4. This is 15 minus 15, 0. 22 minus 15, 7. 30 minus 32 is 8. 35 minus 30 is 5. Okay, this is nothing but to calculate the subtraction between two consecutive elements, right? Now we'll see this percentage change, how we can calculate. This is a simple formula. Percentage is 100 into 4, that is change of the each of the element between the consecutive element, divided by the before element which you are calculating this one, right? In this case this is 0. Okay, in this case we'll see how we can calculate, that is percentage change 100 into 7 divided by 15. So you will get this this percentage change, right? Hope this will make sense, guys. You see the next, that is consecutive sum. The same data point we have taken, right? So consecutive sum is nothing but to calculate the sum or sum between the two consecutive terms, right? You can see over here we don't have any element, so we have put the 11 over here, right? The sum is 11. Now the 11 plus 15 is 26. Then 26 plus 15, that is 41. 41 plus 22, that is 63. 63 plus 30, that is 93. 93 plus 35, that is 128. It's simple. Okay. Now we'll see the next one, consecutive product. Consecutive sum and consecutive product both are same. The difference is uh, uh, we did sum over here. In the consecutive sum, we means we are going to do the multiplication over here. Okay, this 11 as it is, then 11 into 15, 165. 165 into 15, that is 2475. 2475 into 22, that is 54450. According to the this multiplication of each of the rows. Okay, so this is simple. Now we'll see the consecutive minimum. So here we have same data points, right? Consecutive minimum, this 11 as it is. Now we need to check the consecutive minimum. Sorry, cumulative minimum. Sorry, cumulative minimum from here, this 15 and 11, between these 2 points, 15 and 11, 2 points we have. Which one is the minimum? That is 11. That's why we put 11. From this 15 to this 11, which one is the uh, I'll show you. This 11 as it is, right? Now we need to check the minimum from this point to this point. Which one is the minimum? That is 11. That's why we put the 11, right? Here 15 and 11, which one is the minimum? That is 11. That's why we put 11. Here 22 and 11, which one is the minimum? That's why we put 11, right? Here as well, same, 11 is minimum. Here as well, 11 is minimum. That's why we put 11, right? Now we'll see the next one, this one. You can see here, that is this 11 as it is, we put over here. Now which one is the maximum from 15 to 11? Which one is the maximum? That's why we put the 15, because 15 is the maximum number, right? Here 15 and 15, which one is maximum? So obvious 15 is there. Here 22 and 15, which one is the maximum? That is 22, right? So we put 22. Here as well 30 and 22, we have two numbers, so which one is the maximum? That is 30. Here as well 35 is the maximum, so we put accordingly, right? Hope this will make sense, guys. Now we'll see the next one. Okay, hope this will make sense, guys. This till this point, in the next tutorial we'll see the geometric mean and harmonic mean, how we can calculate where we can use that harmonic mean and geometric mean in the Python. Okay, and how to calculate the mathematical way, and how to calculate in the Jupyter notebook, we'll see in the next tutorial. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more motivation, guys. Thank you.